How to create elevations and add levels in Plan 7 Architect. Welcome to an example you could create by drawing 4 walls and some openings. The first step is to create a floor. The easiest way to do this is to click the button here and create a new one. You can place it above the existing level, right here in this example. We could also do it differently. Click OK. You can keep the existing openings by clicking. Or keep only the walls. Here, we'll keep all the openings and click OK. Now, if you switch to 3D, you'll see all the openings. Obviously, the door isn't relevant here. We can select it and delete it. The rest might be interesting. Now, let's go back to construction and see how to create sections or elevations. We'll create a section by clicking here. We'll define a first point and a second point. It suggests naming it like this. I confirm with OK. The section is automatically generated. We go back to construction and do the same thing here. By the way, I could click on the catalog to change the appearance. I click here, then here, and a section BB is automatically created. You can see that you can find the sections by clicking on 2D views, and you can switch between them. Finally, you can choose to move from one floor to another. And you can also rename the floors here by clicking the button. And you can call the floors by double-clicking. For example, floor 1 and floor 0. This will make it easier to find the first and second floors. Finally, you can manage the display to see only the current floor here. Or all floors. Here it's floor 1, but if we go to floor 0, we can see that. So, these are the settings you can adjust in Plan 7 Architect to quickly access all these elements. I'll see you in more videos. You have the playlist available, which will allow you to go further. See you soon for more videos.